Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on your HP OmniBook Flip 5. First of all, let's check the Wi-Fi connection by opening the control center. To open the control center, click one of these three icons on your taskbar. Then check if your device is connected to the network, and also check the connection by clicking this arrow icon and checking the connection status. In my case, it's connected and secured, therefore the internet should work normally, but we can disconnect from this network and then reconnect to it to toggle this connection. We can also toggle the Wi-Fi by clicking this icon right here and then turn it on again, let it reconnect to the network and check the connection once again. Alternatively, we can toggle the airplane mode by switching it on and then off again to reset network connections. Then let's reconnect to this network. And in case you're still having troubles, let's try to reset network settings. To do that, right-click the Wi-Fi icon, select Go to Settings. Now let's go back to Network and Internet Settings, and let's scroll down to Advanced Network Settings. Then select Network Reset, select Reset Now, click Yes, and wait for a moment, and click Close, and open the Start menu, go to Power Options, and select Restart, and then let your device reboot. After the restart, let's sign back into our PC. Then let's open the control center once again, and let's select the network that we've been previously connected to and click Connect. Enter the password to it once again and click Next. Oh, I accidentally entered the wrong one. Let me do it one more time. And at this point, if you still cannot connect to your Wi-Fi network, then try checking the router, restart your router. And if after the restart you still cannot connect to your Wi-Fi network, then I highly recommend checking out if there is no problem on your network internet provider side. So just use any other device that has Wi-Fi access that you can reach, for example your smartphone, and try to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. If it can't connect to your Wi-Fi network, if it cannot use your Wi-Fi router for using the internet, then it means that there is most definitely an issue on your network provider's side. So just reach out to them and ask for any outages, or maybe they're fixing something, maybe there is something with your data plan or something else. But if your other devices can easily connect to and to use internet via the network that you're using, then this is most probably the driver issue, but it can also be a list of other issues, and you can access the troubleshooting menu by right-clicking the Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar, selecting Diagnose Network Problems, and letting your laptop detect the most efficient way for you to resolve this issue. Now check the steps in here. For example, here we have the time synchronization, so let's synchronize the time. Click Yes. If it wasn't able to do so automatically, right-click your date time icon on the taskbar, select Adjust Date and Time, and then switch the toggle to the right next to Set Time Zone automatically. Switch the toggle to the right next to Set Time automatically. And if your automatic date and time are wrong, then you can disable automatic date time settings and select Change. Then set date and time by selecting them from this scroll wheel selectors. So select your current date and select your current time, select change and wait until they are changed. Or just toggle your automatic time setter on again, and let it do its job basically. And then you can go through the further troubleshooting steps and see if this resolves the issue. Now, to update the drivers for your Wi-Fi, we're most probably gonna have to download them using an if different PC, another PC, and the USB flash drive if you don't have access to the internet on this one. So grab yourself a USB flash drive. Both 2.0 and 3.0 are supported by your laptop. So all you're gonna have to do is use another PC to access the web browser and search for HP drivers website. Let me actually do it here. Okay. Okay, it seems to me that, yes, looking for English. Okay, so we're gonna have to access the support.hp.com website. Then on this page, select laptop. Then enter you're gonna have to provide your laptop serial number and also the product number. Now, if you are struggling to find your device's serial number and product number, close the lid of your device, then turn it around and take a look at the back side of it. Here you'll find both the serial number of your device and the product number. Now let me put the laptop in its place. Now enter the serial number of your laptop into this field. So for me it will be HCG5257 CBN. Basically, you can even try to enter my serial number, my product number, but I cannot guarantee that they will match with your exact model of this laptop. So it's better if you use yours. And once you enter the serial number, you'll be also asked to enter the product number. So let's enter the product number in the following field. Press enter once again and let the HP website detect our product. Okay, now let's select the operational system. So it will be Windows 11 and version of the OS system. Let's select Windows 11. I'm not sure how these two are different, but it doesn't really matter in this case because the drivers are pretty much the same for both of them. So let's select submit, and then let's expand the driver network section, and we're looking for Intel WLAN driver here. So let's download this driver, and basically this is the file that we can transfer to our to your HP. So you can just grab this file and drag it to your USB flash drive, and then drop it onto your drop it on your HP, and then run it here. Then click yes, then click next, then accept the license agreement, click next again. Then you can either go with the default drivers folder, or let's change it to access it more easily. So for example, let's save it on desktop instead, and then click next once again, and let the program extract the files. Okay, so there is a bit too much. Let's create a folder for them. I didn't expect it all these files to go without a folder. Let's move them to a folder. Okay. Now here we have SRC and drivers. So what we're gonna need to do right now is open the start menu and then start searching for device manager. And once you find it, open it. And now in the device manager, we're gonna have to find the network adapters right here, and then here you'll find your Intel Wi-Fi. And if you don't have it here, maybe you have some driver with the yellow triangle next to it, then it's most probably your Wi-Fi driver that is missing the driver. And in this case, we're gonna have to select update driver, right click on it and select update driver, and then select browse my computer for drivers, and then let's click browse. Let's select desktop, and on the desktop go to SRC and expand to SRC, and then select drivers, click OK, then click next. And yeah, in my case these drivers are already installed, so they will not be updated. We can also try to just search through the SRC and include subfolders, but no. It says that they are already installed, and it's most probably because they are. So yeah, but in your case, this has to install the newest driver version, Wi-Fi driver version, and after that, to make sure that the changes applied, let's go to the start menu, power, and let's select restart and let your laptop reboot. And after that, your Wi-Fi connection should be re-established. If you still cannot connect your laptop to the Wi-Fi network, then at this point I highly recommend reaching out to HP customer support service and telling them about this issue, and maybe they'll guide you through some more troubleshooting steps, or maybe you'll have to send your laptop to them for repair, or just to the nearest repair center instead, because there might be a problem with your network card at this point. And so that's it for this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.